My name is Arko Olesk. I'm a PhD candidate in Tallinn University, Estonia. My PhD thesis looks at mediatization of science, meaning how scientists interact with media and how it affects their scientific activities. As a first part of my thesis, I looked at a research group in Estonia who launched the first Estonian satellite. It's a very interesting group in a sense that when they started the project, they had no idea about how to interact with media, but they learned very quickly the importance for their project of media interactions and all the small tricks, how to talk to a journalist, how to present your topic, and they really quickly became, the success story of Estonian science, and they were heavily present in media. Well, obviously this satellite group was quite a big exception. So my next steps is to extend the sample, look at few more scientists, also scientific institutions, to see how common is this trend towards more this mediatization, more active interaction with media and learning media skills and adopting to this media logic.